Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to enable recently uploaded Reels notifications from someone on Instagram using your PC. With the new update, it's easier than ever to stay in the loop with your favorite creators. So, let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your desktop. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your homepage. Next, look to the bottom left corner of your screen for the More icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it to expand the menu options. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll find various options to customize your experience. Now, navigate to Notifications. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences, including those for Reels. Once you're in the Notifications section, click on Push Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of different notification settings available to you. Finally, locate the option for Recently Uploaded Reels. To ensure you never miss a moment from your favorite accounts, simply toggle this setting to On. This will allow you to receive notifications whenever someone you follow uploads a new reel. And that's it. You're now set to receive notifications for recently uploaded Reels from your favorite creators directly on your PC. Keep your experience fresh and engaging by staying updated on the latest content. Enjoy all the Reels and share the excitement with your friends.